today I've returned to a spot that I've been to many times, and the reason I come here is to take this large oak tree that's in the background just here, set against the green further forest in the far distance, framed by a conifer on that side, and I think it's a birch on this side. And what I particularly like is the branch structure. I often take it in winter, obviously, so the branches are far more distinguished and sort of stand out more, but I thought I'd try it now that spring foliage is here and see if I can get all the sort of the different shades of green. One problem I've got is that even though this is a clearing, relatively light, underneath the canopy it's very dark, so to get a good exposure I'm going to have to use a long exposure with a reasonable sort of like about f12, f10 probably, and stack it, one image taken for this fir tree and one for the oak tree, and try and keep the shutter speed up to a 60th or a second, because there's some movement due to the wind in the leaves. So we'll see how it goes. In any case, I'll work around that and try and keep the depth of field reasonably high, but also I'm going to have to watch the speed on the shutter to make sure I don't get any blurring. And then when I get back, I'll post-process it, stack the two images and see how it comes out, and I'll show you the results.